Executive Secretary, NUC, ably represented, Director Generals, Permanent Secretaries, and other appointees here present, my distinguished stakeholders, parents, friends, and well-wishers of Nile University, provost deans and directors, a very warm good evening to all of us. Let me, on behalf of the Board of Trustees, management, staff, and students, congratulate all of us at this auspicious occasion, a month of blessings, a time of giving, a time of felicitations, even the month of Ramadan that has brought all of us here for this Iftar dinner. I want to seize this opportunity to warmly welcome all of you that have taken your time, energy, and resources to join us at this celebration. I also want to deeply appreciate you for the support and friendship you've all continued to give Nile University as an institution. We cannot thank you enough. No matter what we say, it will be an underestimation of how we feel about all of you. I see all of you here as stakeholders. I see all of you here as friends. I see all of you here as investors in the Nile University project. And in a month like this, the only way we can show appreciation, the only way we can felicitate and share together in the month of Ramadan, as we supplicate to our Creator and appreciate His goodness, is to come together at this 2025 Iftar dinner. I want to thank all of you for being here, and it is my prayer that at the end of this dinner, which you have just started, as you go back, God will take you safely to your various destinations as we continue to chart courses that will lead to the evolution of greater partnership with all of you. Thank you, and God bless you.
The Board of Trustees and the management and staff of Nile University, our guests, happy Iftar. First of all, I want to make some corrections. Your teacher is always your teacher, whatever is the circumstances. And for you to grow to your highest level, you must accept that. I was a medical student, a student of Professor Dili Dogo when I was in medical school. He was the head of department then. He taught me, he examined me, and even at the postgraduate, I share a lot with him. Why do I always answer his call? If somebody mentored you, you must always identify yourself with him. And I must say that I've learned a lot from you, sir. For us, the parents that were here, I want to thank you all for having time to be here on behalf of also my mentor and my teacher, because I've seen faces that were here last year, and I do hope that God will spare our life to be here many more years to come. Thank you.
Professor Dili Dogo has written his name in gold in the medical profession. We all know him for excellence, and above all in surgery. University of Maiduguri, we used to, all of those of us that were patients of the theater, we know Professor Dili Dogo as somebody that needed shortest time to do an operation. In fact, himself and Professor Yahweh were known for their fastness in surgery. And today, we are happy that Almighty God has given him long life in good health to pass that knowledge to Nigerians under Nile University.
This is the university that I know. And this is a university that has all the credentials, the goodwill, the networking. And I've enjoyed it from day one. Good lecturers, even my peers as students. I've enjoyed relationship with everyone. And I think I will continue my studies here. Thank you. I have enjoyed the Iftar. I think this Ramadan period, I'm one of the beneficiaries because I have numerous Muslim friends around me. So I don't cook in my house. I move from one house to the other to enjoy the best meals around. So please keep it up. This is a very good occasion for networking and for being together as brothers and sisters. God bless everyone. Thank you.
I'm so happy for today's gathering for this year 2024 Ramadan fast. Nile University, we have been together, and today I'm so happy for this gathering. It is good. Once in a while, we should be gathering like this. We should unite together, both Muslim and Christian. We show love together so that we cannot differentiate ourselves. In this month of Ramadan, I wish everyone that came to this event will go back successful.
Wish you safe journey back to your various destinations. Thank you so much.